reading NCERT at least 4 to 5 times and clearing all the doubts from the NCERT is important for a NEET aspirant. Also, attempting a bulk of questions after completing a chapter is important. Hello friends, my name is Dhruv Garg and my father's name is Pawan Kumar Garg. He is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. My younger brother is also preparing for NEET UG examination. I joined Akash in year 2022 for a 2-year integrated classroom program and I secured a good rank in NEET UG 2024. It was my parents' dream to make me a doctor and also I got inspired from my elder sister to take medicine as a career. आकाश के बारे में मुझे मेरे दोस्तों से पता चला, फिर मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स और रिलेटिव से इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया और देन आई जॉइंड आकाश. I got to know about NCERT examination through advertisements and then I gave NCERT examination in 2021 and got 100% scholarship in that. NCERT was my first examination that I was giving at such a big level. So it gave me a good experience of competition. Akash study material and NCERT are enough for NEET preparation. Do as many as possible previous year papers and mock test papers for gaining confidence and faith in you. According to me, boards do not require any particular strategy for its achievement because boards and NEET are both NCERT based exams. So while I was preparing for NEET examination, my board preparation was also being covered. Making weekly timetables and daily targets will help you gaining confidence and no backlogs. I used to revise all the concepts which are taught in my coaching institute on the same day and try to clear all my doubts on that day itself. Reading NCERT at least 4 to 5 times and clearing all the doubts from the NCERT is important for a NEET aspirant. Also, attempting a bulk of questions after completing a chapter is important. Making short notes for important topics and solving back exercises 4 to 5 times is important. Error analysis given by Akash is also important because it helps us to identify our weak topics. In the last 3 months, you should read NCERT 3 to 4 times at least and solving every test and its proper analysis is important for in the last 3 months. To increase your score, make sure that you have given all the tests of final test series because it helps in improving your test marks. Going through NCERT maps and self-made short notes is important because in the last few months you cannot give your time to reading whole NCERT because it is quite time consuming. Breaks also have an important significance in NEET preparation because breaks ensure that you have a continuity and consistency of maintaining interest in the subject. There will be many times when you are scoring very low, you will feel very demotivated. You should talk to parents and most importantly teachers for gaining confidence and having consistency. My experience at Akash was great because their modules, especially their test papers, are brilliant. I didn't felt any question in the examination hall that is different from the questions I have seen in Akash papers. My Akash faculties were very supportive because they were always ready to clear my doubts and concepts at every time, and they always helped me in gaining confidence and keeping faith on me throughout my 2-year journey. My special advice for all the upcoming NEET aspirants is that one should not get bothered about their low marks because every person has a different mentality and different technique of reading, and all of them will succeed if they are consistent in their hard work and self-studies. I thanks to Almighty God, my parents and Akash faculties as well as their team for helping me throughout my journey. Thank you.